Hi, I'm Curator of Education, Anna Smith. When you visit Sarah Ze's installation at the Nasher, you get to be immersed in a space that combines the physical world with the digital world, and the result is a moment of wonder. Z talks about how an image can create a portal in your mind, while a sculpture connects you to what's real. And she plays with that in her work. More and more, we spend our days scrolling through countless images. We have a relationship with images that people 100 years ago couldn't have even imagined. So when you walk into one of Z's spaces and you're surrounded by these digital projections, there's a feeling of recognition. But the longer you look, the more you may realize that she's linking you back to reality. These images are of physical materials, or things a body can do. This is a handmade sculpture with paper torn by hand and tools from the artist's studio. Stepping into this space invites you to think about what is real and how you engage with it.